Hello guys, and welcome back again to another episode of Cooking with Sarah's Kitchen. In this video I'm gonna be making eggs, and stay tuned so that you get to see how I will be making my eggs. So we'll start by preparing our ingredients. We have peas, we have carrots, we have onion, and we have our eggs. And let's get started, guys. First thing first, we are going to peel our carrots. Tunakata carrots zetu like this. I'm going to show you guys, don't mind, don't worry, so, and in case you're new here, guys, welcome to this channel. Like that, just simple. I'm trying to give you a breakfast idea of what you should be eating. Healthy breakfast idea in ilikuwa nimetoa. So let's clean this. Cut them into smallest pieces possible. Like that. And the other one. Sangat naik. Add a pinch of salt, the egg, a bit of black pepper, add a little bit of cooking oil. And our egg. minutes. That's when you go in with the carrots, like that, and then you give it like another 5 minutes, so that your carrots can be well steamed. And you don't want your onion to be golden brown, no, it's kind of a veggies, so that's why you let your onion just to cook a little bit. And my eggs, so I think we are there. And go in with your onion. Feel free to add spices of your choice. Yeah, feel free to add the spices of your choice. Mine, maybe I'll just add a little bit of paprika because I like it so much. And yeah, just like that. Like that. I think it is the best.